Welcome to the June edition of the openEuler Monthly Bulletin. Let's walk through the highlights in the openEuler community, covering everything from major releases to technical breakthroughs and inspiring events. Let's dive in. First up, a quick look at community growth. As of June 30th, 2025, the openEuler community has reached over 4.15 million users. More than 22,531 developers are contributing, with over 221,500 PRs and 118,300 issues generated. We now have 2,070 organization members in the community. Want the most up-to-date numbers? Just head over to the openEuler data stat for the full picture. Now let's move on to a big one, the latest release spotlight. On June 30th, openEuler officially launched version 24.03 LTS SP2. Built on the Linux 6.6 kernel, this update brings comprehensive enhancements across servers, cloud, AI, and embedded scenarios. Whether you're a developer or managing enterprise systems, you'll find it delivering smoother, faster, and more secure experiences. Key improvements have been made in kernel optimization, heterogeneous AI inference, high-density mini-core computing, support for confidential containers, and multi-core, multi-instance hybrid deployment. Curious why this version is becoming a go-to for large enterprises? Check out the full article. We've linked it for you in the show notes. In terms of community events, June witnessed an exciting global activity. openEuler made a strong showing at the first Global Risk-V Open Workshop, or GROW 2025, held in Sao Paulo, Brazil, on June 30th. Our community shared how we're advancing RVA23 support to help level up the RISC-V infrastructure ecosystem. As usual, openEuler is pushing forward open source development through various meetups. On June 12th, we brought open source vibes to the City University of Hong Kong. The meetup featured talks on confidential computing, ARM architecture updates, Rust SBI, and GPU accelerated cryptography. The energy from local developers was incredible. It wasn't just a meetup, but another step in growing openEuler's global footprint. And on June 25th, we hosted an online big data meetup that drew in a ton of developers. Topics included open source database tuning, remote multi-active architecture, intelligent query optimization, big data cluster management, and performance optimization on Kunpeng servers. We extend our sincere thanks to everyone who joined online. Let's keep building this data-powered future together. Up next, here's what's new from the technical committee meeting in June. The 2026 openEuler LTS version will be based on Linux 6.6 kernel, with plans to ensure kernel application binary interface compatibility and possibly introduce a dual kernel architecture to better support emerging hardware. openEuler 24.03 LTS SP3 will support both RVA20 and RVA23, with GCC 14.3 as the compilation toolchain. JDK upgrades for the RISC-V project are also in progress. Meanwhile, we're launching an AI working group to drive deep integration of AI and operating systems. Want to get involved? All community developers are welcome to join and contribute to these ongoing efforts. openEuler is also driving innovation with technical updates. First up, openEuler Trace IO is here, and it's a huge leap forward for container performance. We're talking about a 21 times faster container startup time. Trace IO/startup time from 127 seconds down to just 6 for PyTorch, and from 35 to 8 seconds for TensorFlow. Read the full paper at Fast25, or try it out yourself in openEuler 25.03. And here's something that'll benefit maintainers. openEuler just rolled out a new PR review optimization. Maintainers and committers authorized by the openEuler Technical Committee can now directly fix unclear PR descriptions. No more back-and-forth comment chains. That means faster merges, better efficiency, and more time for real innovation. Notifications just got smarter too. TC members and maintainers of the relevant SIGs now get instant email alerts once a package passes CI. With openEuler, track all submission updates in the user center without manual checks. Next, security is leveling up. We've released the Quasar Confidential Container Solution, combining eSolad, Quasar, and SecGear. It's tailor-made for high-sensitivity workloads like AI. It wraps trusted execution environments into a lightweight runtime. No app modifications needed. Combining sandboxing with confidential computing, the solution ensures image integrity and workload confidentiality, while preventing unauthorized access and boosting usability without compromising security. That's not all for technical updates. From CodeSys Runtime and CodeSys Go to CodeSys Virtual Control, CodeSys now fully supports openEuler. This partnership brings real-time performance, seamless compatibility, and a big boost in development productivity to industrial control systems. And finally, our MCP servers project is pushing AI OS integration forward. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a community-driven project that integrates various operating system tools. With modular, standardized protocol architecture, it can soon be easily deployed via YUM with RPM packages. Based on Python SDK, it helps convert OS tools into MCP servers with UV toolchain and Python 3 MCP, supported end-to-end by DevStation's root code plugin. Got something on your mind or ready to dive deeper? Feel free to reach out to the openEuler Intelligence SIG. Let's wrap up with compatibility and security. As of June 30th, 2025, 39 products were certified as compatible with openEuler, including 35 applications, 2 hardware components, and 2 OSs. The community published 128 security notices and patched 102 vulnerabilities, including 2 critical, 32 high, 68 others. You can find the security announcements on the openEuler official website and install the vulnerability patches in time. That's all for this openEuler monthly bulletin. We would like to extend our gratitude to all members, developers, and contributors for their support and contributions. We invite developers, experts, and open source enthusiasts to join the openEuler community. Whether you code, share knowledge, or just love tech discussions, we'd love to have you. Stay connected with us or check our project repositories for regular updates. See you in the next edition.